Welcome back to Idealist, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and McLarens with billion-dollar doors. These are the cheapest supercars on the planet. I'm Brad, this is Ideal, let's go. Now, if you've ever closed your eyes and dreamt about owning a high-end exotic, well, the McLaren MP412C offers one of the most affordable entries into the supercar club. The spec sheet is not cheap. You get a full monocell carbon fiber chassis that weighs just 165 pounds. That's lighter than your boy. And a 3.8-liter V8 twin-turbo engine that doesn't just deliver 592 raw ponies, it does so with a sense of refinement that's both exhilarating and addictive, blasting you to 60 in just 2.8 seconds. Plus, when things get a little bit hairy, you have brake steer. Yes, which was banned from the McLaren F1 cars because it gave it an unfair advantage. And you can't forget about the active aero. Yes, that air brake rear spoiler is seriously one of the coolest gadgets on any car like ever. And the MP412C is a real supercar on the cheap. Pick one of these up on the low end for the same price as a new Jeep Wagoneer. And quick poll, which one would you guys rather have? A supercar chock full of Formula One technology or a 6,000-pound family hauler? I mean, I know what the ideal pick would be. It's nimble, it's responsive, and delivers a driving experience that is pure McLaren. You'll feel the adrenaline rush the moment you push the go pedal. And I have linked to all of these ideal deals via Auto Tempest below, so go see if you can find them even cheaper. Ever seen those dash cam clips go viral? Crashes happen, even when you're not at fault, and without proof, you're left hanging. It's your word against theirs, so why leave it to chance? Meet the Red Tiger F17 Elite, a high-performance 3-channel dash cam that records front, rear, and cabin footage in stunning clarity, day or night. The front camera uses Sony's IMX678 Starvis 2 for ultra-clear 4K footage at 30 frames per second, sharp enough to read license plates even while moving. But you guys, check this out. Full color night vision, thanks to the interior sensor and intelligent algorithms that restore cabin color vividly, even under streetlights. You're looking at a 3-inch IPS touchscreen, built-in GPS, voice control, and ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 for quick video transfers. It's got dual-channeled HDR for front and rear cameras, 4K resolution up front, and crisp 2.5K in the rear, and detailed 1080p inside. Every highlight and shadow is balanced perfectly. It's so good, I could easily read license plates, and the cabin footage, well, it really performs well, even in low light. So stop guessing, let the facts speak. Red Tiger F17 Elite, because seeing is believing. And right now you can get an extra 10% off with code RTF17E025 on Amazon, or get $120 off with code F17ECAM on the official website. I've linked to both in the pinned first comment down below. And thanks for supporting the sponsors that support us. Now, back to the show. Okay, this exotic, named after a famous breed of fighting bull, the Gallardo lived up to its name by becoming the best-selling model to date. They made so many of them, they even gifted a few to the Italian state police to blister rapid medical transportation and, of course, highway patrol duties. Although this Lambo does share its platform with the Audi R8, this raging bull sports more aggressive looks and a brutal V10 pumping out over 500 bulls. And when you push the things to the limit and beyond, an aggressive all-wheel drive system delivers a driving experience that's undeniably Lamborghini. Visceral, dramatic, and just pure raw. It's fun to drive at high speeds on the track and drive it through city streets and just break necks. Yes, the Gallardo offers the allure of head-turning Italian supercar for way less than what my wife paid for her Bronco Raptor. Okay, here's a curveball, and I know you can hit curveballs, but it's not a kit car, it's a race car for the street. Yes, the RCR SLC is a unique machine that offers an unmatched performance per dollar ratio and plenty of opportunities to customize and make it your own. It's a car for the enthusiast who wants to stand out from the crowd and who isn't afraid to get their hands dirty in the process. Yes, you get to build it from the ground up, and since the SLC is sold as a rolling chassis, well, you know, the body and frame, but no engine or transmission, you get to outfit it with whatever engine that you'd like. sounds like a great deal. This could range from a GM LS V8 to a Porsche Flat 6 or even a fully electric powertrain. The customization options are nearly limitless, and as you can tell, the SLS's main focus is aerodynamics. The bodywork, it's designed to produce gorilla downforce and reduce drag. And there's even an optimal Le Mans style rear wing. The race car replica's Superlight Coupe is often overlooked in the enthusiast world, but it's by far one of the easiest ways to get into a supercar cheap. A complete kit and drivetrain will cost you less than $60K all in. And then invite a couple of buddies over and just put it all together yourself. Okay, idealists, let's break down why the GTR, aka, well, the newest Godzilla, is your ultimate budget supercar. And I know I'm gonna get flamed for calling it Godzilla because the original R32 was, but anyway, this is why it is insane. Because essentially it's the perfect storm of Japanese engineering prowess, packing a twin-turbo V6, belting out nearly 500 horses, and that is just stock. You're hitting 60 in a dizzying 3.5 seconds, but speed isn't all that it's got. This tech-loaded monster has a sophisticated all-wheel drive system and killer aerodynamics that glue you to the tarmac like bubblegum, whether you're at the track or you're on the street. All in all, the GTR R35 isn't just a budget supercar, it's the budget supercar. And despite its beastly performance, it's surprisingly docile when you want it to be. As well, it's a Nissan, making it as comfortable on the street as it is terrifyingly quick on the track. And once you know you can buy them for less than the price of a new Wrangler, well, there's no turning back. Like the RCR SLC, the Factory 5 Racing 818 is a DIY dream. It's lightweight, affordable, and with the heart of a, get this, Subaru WRX. Yes, this thing has the soul of a rally car, which translates into a driving experience that is pure, unfiltered driving pleasure. The weight distribution is close to perfection, and the only real downside of this budget supercar slayer is the interior. Well, it's minimalistic, and even that's pushing it. But it comes with a manual transmission, and this adrenaline-fueled thrill ride is a proper driver's car that will reward you with a visceral connection to the road that's hard to match, really at any price point. Plus, the 818 comes in both a track-focused performance spec and a street-legal model. And if you don't want to build it yourself, you can purchase a turnkey model for $65 grand. It sounds like a lot, but considering you get true supercar performance, that's an absolute bargain. Okay, I don't care what anybody says, this is the best bang for buck supercar out there. It's like the ultra high horsepower Miata of supercars. Its heart, a hand-built 7-liter LS7 V8 engine producing a staggering 505 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds and some change. Well, with its aluminum frame and near perfect weight distribution, delivers with sharp, responsive handling that makes you feel connected to the road. There's an unfiltered joy that comes from driving the C6 Z06, a sense of raw mechanical connection that's becoming increasingly rare in modern cars. Yes, it was also one of the first production cars to break the 7-minute barrier around the Nürburgring. It has straight line and hairpin turn speed that won't break the bank. Heck, you can get one for the price of a new Honda Accord. I know which one I'd rather have. It's silent, but deadly, just like Trav. Yep, its hybrid powertrain delivers instantaneous acceleration that's eerily silent yet blisteringly quick. Despite its futuristic design and high-tech powertrain, the i8 provides a driving experience that is just pure BMW. Balanced, responsive, and confident. Plus, you get those billion-dollar doors. It's a revelation to drive, and 10 plus years later, an undeniable sign of the supercar hybrid future. And you can get this BMW supercar for well under $60K. Now, the first-gen Audi R8 redefined the supercar experience, and that is exactly why I bought one. Blending track-ready performance with everyday usability, its mid-mounted V8 or optional V10 produces a symphony that's music to any car enthusiast's ears. Its quattro all-wheel drive system keeps you planted even in the white stuff, and the available manual transmission that is gated adds an extra level of engagement. The R8, it proves that supercar performance doesn't have to be intimidating or impractical. It's a pure driver's car, but also refined and comfortable enough to drive every day. The feeling of threading a corner or accelerating down a straight is exhilarating as it is precise. Now, my Audi R8 was truly a pleasure to own, except when I put underglow on it, then I got way too much attention. So don't do that, but you can get a first-gen model for less than the price of many new sports cars. So it is one heck of a bargain. So there you have it, super cheap supercars. Which one are you picking up and putting in your ideal stable? Let us know down below. Or did I miss one, like an SL600 or something? Put it down below too. I think out of all these, the best bang for buck is that Z06C6. Just can't beat it. But let me know what your favorite is down in the comments. Otherwise, I'm Brad, this is Ideal, and whatever cheap supercar you're tearing up in, well, check out this vid up here, or whatever YouTube recommends you watch next, and promise me one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.